Okay, folks, this one's to help you out with your work for today. It's going to be more review on the continents and oceans, and then also introducing hemispheres. So this right here, if you're working on this worksheet, it's just labeling the continents and the ocean. Basically, next to each ocean or continent listed up here, there's a blank. You're going to type, not type, I guess you're going to write the corresponding letter. So for example, you're trying to find the Atlantic Ocean. I look on this map. I know the Atlantic Ocean's here. Perfect. I see E right in the middle. I would go up here and type an E. Okay. Or if I wanted to find Africa, well, I look at all my continents. I know Africa is here in the middle. That's B. So I would put B next to Africa. Now, if I scroll down, it's kind of the opposite on the other side. Still has them letters, okay, labeled, but different this time, okay? This time you have to write out the continent or ocean. For example, L down here, I would look at L and have to figure out what continent that is. That's Europe, so I would write it down. Or I, what continent or ocean is that? I look at for I, it's right there, Australia. So I'd write it. And if you need a hint, okay, the packet from yesterday will have it on the front. I'm also going to post some videos that can help you. Okay, it's a very corny song I posted yesterday on Canvas to help you out. So that's the first one. The second one is going to talk about hemispheres. Hemi means half, sphere means ball or orb. Our Earth is round like a ball, a sphere. And if you tell me it is flat, I will chase you down. Okay. To better help us figure out where things are and talk about where they are compared to each other, on a map we often split the world up into different sections. If we split in half, it's called a hemisphere, half of the sphere. There's two ways we can do this. We can do it north-south, or we can do it east-west. And we have imaginary lines on the map, on a globe, on the world that do this. So the prime meridian, that's going to be a line of longitude. Long line up and down, imaginary on the Earth. Okay, that's over here on the right side. I'll try to use my draw tool. Hopefully, I'm getting a little better at this. Okay, the prime meridian is this imaginary line that runs right down through the middle of the globe, and that splits the Earth into two halves. Okay, remember, this is imaginary, just helps us with maps. Eastern hemisphere is here on the right. Western hemisphere is here on the left. And then there's another one, okay? It's called the equator, and that's going to be another imaginary line right across the center. It's going to be the horizontal one right here. This is the equator, and it divides the Earth into northern hemisphere, northern half, southern hemisphere, southern half. And there's going to be questions about this. For example, which three continents does the equator cross? Well, I just told you guys the equator goes this way. We see it kind of cuts South America in two. It cuts Africa in two pieces. And this one's a little trickier, but this is part of Asia right here. Okay. Number two asks, hey, what three continents does the prime meridian cross? Well, remember, this is the prime meridian here. We see it cuts through a little bit of Europe, Africa, if you go the whole way south, Antarctica. And you'll keep going down through here. I'm going to post a video of an explanation of the hemispheres as well to help you out. All right, folks, if you need anything, let me know.